Hello everyone, welcome to Something Talk on YouTube channel. Over the last few weeks, I have been exploring AI coding agents like Claude Code and OpenAI Codex. A lot of people are asking questions such as, will AI replace software engineers? Can AI build the entire application? Which tool is better, Claude Code or OpenAI Codex? After exploring these tools, I learned 5 important lessons that every software engineer should know. Let's get started. Friends, before going into the video, we are want to announcing that we are going to take a agentic AI session on 4th July 2026 evening 6 p.m. It is 4-hour session, and we are going to cover fundamentals of AI agents, building AI agents using Python, and LangChain framework, what is LangChain framework and its details, and how LLM acts as a brain of AI agents, adding a memory to AI agents, understanding the MCP, connecting AI with the external tools, and building a mini end-to-end agentic AI application. So if you want to register for this session, we will give the Google link in this description. Please make use of it. The fees for the session is 10,000 rupees per participant. Thank you. Okay, friends, let's go back to the video. The first lesson is simple lesson. AI coding agents are powerful, but they are not magic. Many people think that they can simply enter a prompt and receive a production-ready application. In reality, the software development still requires clear requirements, good architecture, testing, code reviews, and good data. AI can accelerate development, but it cannot replace engineering thinking. Think of AI as an assistant, not a replacement. Okay, now let's get into the second lesson. The second lesson surprised me. The quality of your prompt often matters more than the AI tool itself. A vague prompt produces vague results. A good prompt only produces the good results. A detailed prompt produces much better code. Whether you are using Claude Code or OpenAI Code is not a matter. Your ability to communicate requirements clearly is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Prompt engineering is becoming a real software engineering skill. The third lesson is about productivity. AI coding agents are extremely good at repetitive development tasks. For example, creating APIs, writing a unit test cases, generating documentation, building CRUD operation, that is CRUD, create, read, update, delete applications. Tasks that might normally take hours can often be completed in minutes. This allows engineers to spend more time on architecture, business logic, and problem solving. The fourth lesson is very important. Never blindly trust AI generated code. AI can introduce bugs, miss edge cases, use outdated libraries, generate insecure code. The code may look correct at first glance, but hidden problems can still exist. Always review, always test, always verify. The best approach is trust but verify. Review become a very mandatory skill, and deep review and understandable review is very important in AI code. Okay. The fifth and most important lesson is this. I don't believe AI will replace software engineers. However, I do believe software engineers who effectively use AI will outperform those who don't. The future is not AI versus developers. The future is developers working together with AI. Those who learn how to use AI effectively will become more productive, more efficient, and more valuable. Based on my exploration, Cloud Code appears to be very strong when working with larger code bases, reasoning through problems, and refactoring code. OpenAI Codex is impressive when it comes to implementation speed and integration with the OpenAI ecosystems. Both are powerful tools, but honestly, the best choice depends on your workflows and requirements. So, those are the five biggest lessons I learned after exploring cloud code and OpenAI Codex. The biggest takeaway is very simple. AI coding agents are changing software engineering, not by replacing developers, but by helping developers work faster and smarter. I would love to hear from you. Have you tried Cloud Code? Have you tried OpenAI Codex? Which one do you prefer and why? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Something Talk on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next AI video.